Okay, when you've removed your existing footrest from your chair, you'll be left with the frame, and you can then slide your new universal footrest into the frame. So you may need to adjust this slightly into the D section so that you get the correct width, and then wobble and slightly adjust until it slides all the way into your frame to the same height that you had your existing footrest. Then, before you tighten the 4 grub screws at the back, you'll have the ability to adjust the pitch of the D section. Now, it's suggested that the back is slightly lower than the front, so when your feet are on the D section of the footrest, your heels are slightly lower. So adjust that so that the back is slightly lower, and then the next stage is to tighten the 4 grub screws using an Allen key. So once you've got this in position, you've got the D as it should be, and the height from the floor, tighten these 4 grub screws as tight as you can get them. This is then locking onto these L sections that come into the D. So it's important that each of these 4 grub screws are as tight as you can get. It's then ready for you to attach the FreeWheel to and follow the instructions that are within the FreeWheel box. Any problems?